Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to turn on background conversations in the ChatGPT app. This feature allows the app to continue listening and responding even while you multitask on your device. So let's dive right into it. Open the ChatGPT app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the ChatGPT app on the home page in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see two lines that you will click on. Then when the left side of the screen opens, at the bottom of the screen, you will go down to the option that is represented by three dots and click on it. By clicking on those three dots, a new page will open, where you will find the voice option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The app will open the next page where you will also find the background conversations option in the drop-down menu and then click on the switch. And there you have it. So, turn on background chats in the ChatGPT app. This feature is super handy for staying productive on the go. If this guide helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.